Hello viewers, and today I have purchased from the US Mint a roll of dollar coins. There's 25 in total of the American Innovation 2024 coins from Maine. And the total cost of this was $40.45 with shipping and handling. So let's open it up and see what the US Mint sends out. And I would expect nothing less than a consumer product package that can't be actually opened. Good God. What kind of glue did they use to glue this? And of course it's double boxed. And there it is. Okay, so here the roll of coins is, and I'm not going to take any coins out for preservation purposes, but this is what the one side looks like. Oops. So overall I'm very satisfied with that product, and I'm sure in time this will only valuate. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.